Example 2. An exam consists of 50 multiple choice questions based on how much you studied. For any given question, you think you have 70% chance of getting a correct answer. Assume P is the population proportion of you getting a correct answer. If you are going to take this exam, on what condition that you can assume the sampling distribution of P hat follows a normal distribution? So in this case, you must satisfy the two conditions, which is NP must be more than 5 and NQ also more than 5. So X here is denoted as number of correct answer and X is following binomial with N50 and P 0.7. So if you are satisfying these two conditions, you can assume that the sampling distribution follows normal distribution. Part B, find the mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution of P hat. So mean of the sampling distribution, symbolized as P hat, is also equivalent to the proportion from the population, which is 0.7. So P hat is always equivalent to P. And the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of P hat is equal to, this is the formula for the standard deviation of P hat. So you have PQ over by N square root. When you substitute the value, 0.7 times 0.3 over by 50 square root, then you have 0.0648. So these two answers is referring to the mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution of P hat. For part C, find the probability that your sample proportion of getting correct answer to be less than 60%. Interpret your result. So this one, you will have the probability of P hat less than 0.6 because you are having sample proportion less than 60%. So this is the symbol, P hat is less than 0.6. So first step, convert to the standard Z value, 0.6 minus P 0.7 over by PQ divided by N square root. Then you have the Z value, negative 1.54. Directly refer to the Z table, then you have the answer 0.0618. Then the question asks, interpret your result. What can you say from this answer? This is actually the chance of you getting less than 60% of correct answer. So you can say the percentage of getting less than 60% chance of correct answer is 6.18%.